Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is voice. If you have not seen the videos of tenses, please watch the videos of tenses first, then you will understand it better. Tense अगर आपको clear है तो you will understand it better. In case you have some doubts also in tense, then also you can watch it, because I will have a kind of revision for the tenses also. Yes, voice is also known as active and passive. Watch till the end, you will get the concept of active and passive in just one class, right? And you will be able to solve for sure. Yes, voice is also known as active and passive. So don't confuse that active and passive and voice, both are different things. Both are same things. Usually what happens, like usually we see this is the structure, subject, verb and object. This is the basic structure of formation of sentences. Active जब भी होगा तो ऐसे ही होगा, subject, verb plus object. Subject क्या होता है? Doer is subject. Like for example, I am teaching. I am doing this work. I is subject. Teaching is verb. I am teaching verb. English will be object. तो इसमें क्या होगा? पैसिव बनाने के क्रम में ऑब्जेक्ट और सब्जेक्ट विल बी इंटरचेंज. सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी इंटरचेंज. Object will be placed here and subject will be placed here, right? Both will interchange. Yes, now the question arises how, like object will come here, subject will be placed here. So you remember, like जब subject को object के रूप में change करना है, then how will you change? Like I will be changed into me. I का me हो जाएगा. We will change into us. You will change into you. He will change into him. She will change into her. They will change into them. Right? Now you see. Now question arises. अब ये तो पता चल गया कि object, how subject will change into object. Object simultaneously me. जब object है तो me का I, us का we. जब active passive से active में change करना होगा, then this way you can change. Fine. So this you have come to know how the subjects are changed. So this you have understood. Now how verbs will change. Verbs you need to remember. बस ये याद रखना है. This is a kind of revision of tenses. V1 V5 means present indefinite tense. V2 means past indefinite tense. V3 means perfect. अगर यहाँ has है V3 लगा दें, present perfect. Had V3 past perfect. V4 means continuous. Is MR V4 present continuous. Was were V4 past continuous. और V1 एक तो future indefinite में यूज होता है. In model sentences we use V1, like I can write a letter, yes, with the models. Plus there are more structures where we find V1, like he is to sing a song, they have to play cricket. In all those sentences, wherever you find V1, that will change into B plus V3. अब ये change कैसे होता है देखो. जब V1 V5 होगा, so V1 V5 will change into is MR V3, right? Do does, चूंकि do does का प्रयोग निगेटिव बनाने के लिए होता है, निगेटिव ऑफ द सेम सेंटेंस. जैसे he writes a letter, नेगेटिव इज he does not write a letter. तो V1 V5 will change into is MR V3. और do does भी अगर लगा हो तो do does will also change into is MR V3. Now अगर second form हो sentence में तो second form will change into was were V3, और did will also change into was were V3, because did is used in past indefinite tense for changing into negative or interrogative sentences. Now V3 अगर दिखाई दे, right, तो V3 will change into been plus V3. ध्यान देना है, यू डोंट हैव टू चेंज द टेंस. अगर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में हो, मीन्स हैज है V3, तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में ही होगा, बस V3 को बीन प्लस V3 में चेंज कर देना. अगर पास्ट परफेक्ट में होगा तो हैड प्लस V3 होगा और V3 विल चेंज इनटू बीन प्लस V3. V4 क्या होगा? V4 विल चेंज इनटू बीइंग प्लस V3, राइट. अगर इज MR V4 है तो इज MR बीइंग प्लस V3. अगर वाजवर V4 है तो वाजवर बीइंग प्लस V3. ठीक है. नाउ V1 चेंज होगा B प्लस V3 में. नाउ लेट्स सी with the examples, you can understand it better. Like he ईट्स अ मैंगो। मैंने क्या बताया कि ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट इंटरचेंज होगा, तो ही इज सब्जेक्ट, अ मैंगो इज ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट। तो ही ईट्स अ मैंगो, वह आम खाता है, मतलब उसके द्वारा, बाय हिम, आम खाया जाता है, राइट। तो अ मैंगो, नाउ V5 विल चेंज इनटू इज एम आर V3। तो चूंकि मैंगो सिंगुलर है तो इज लगाएंगे, है ना। अ मैंगो इज इटन, थर्ड फॉर्म, अ मैंगो इज इटन बाय हिम, ही का हिम, he will change into him, so a mango is eaten by him, right। वैसे ही अगर मैं बोलूं कि I teach English, I teach English, तो English will be used as a subject। now English is taught by me, I will change into me। she sings a song is sung by her, ठीक है। now I do not like her, she is not liked by me। he does not drink water is not drunk by him, this way। now she sang a song, sang is second form will change was verb V3, तो हो जाएगा a song was sung by her, a song was sung by her। अगर इसमें नेगेटिव करेंगे she did not sing a song, तो ये भी चेंज होगा was verb V3 में, तो song was not sung by her। now I have bought a car, थर्ड फॉर्म आ गया, I have bought a car। अगर यहाँ had होता तो यहाँ भी had लगाते, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में जाएगा। देखो I के साथ हम have लगाते हैं, लेकिन a car जब सब्जेक्ट हो गया तो ये सिंगुलर हो गया, है ना। तो a car के साथ हम has लगाएंगे, तो हो गया a car has been, see V3 will change into been plus V3, so it will be a car has been bought by me, I will change into me। like they have planted trees, they have planted trees, तो trees have been planted by them। वैसे नेगेटिव होगा तो हैव के बाद नॉट लग जाएगा, वेरी सिंपल, राइट। अगर ये पास्ट परफेक्ट में होगा, I had not understood this, तो this had not been understood by me, right। now Reyansh is playing cricket, now ing फॉर्म का मतलब होता है V4 will change into, देखो ing लगा इसमें, being plus V3, तो cricket सब्जेक्ट, cricket is being plus V3, cricket is being played by Reyansh, cricket is being played by Reyansh। now my mother will drink water, देखो V1 will change, अगर इसी को हम was verb में कर दे, like she was writing a story, तो story was being written by her, अब यहाँ V1 आ रहा है, तो my mother will drink water will be water will be drunk by my mother, like he can help you, you can be helped by him। so this way you will be able to change into passive very easily। in the next video I'll practice more sentences based on tenses, and that will help you understand it better।